guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today I'll be doing a review on my Redmi K20 Pro and I'll be giving my thoughts on it whether it's still worth buying in 2021. So let's start off with the hardware specs. The Redmi K20 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's 2019 flagship processor, the Snapdragon 855. It's available with 6GB or 8GB of RAM along with 128GB or 256GB of storage. It has a pretty reasonable 4000 mAh battery and supports 27W fast charging. And now coming to the cameras, it has a 48 megapixel primary lens, an 8 megapixel telephoto lens and a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens. It can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second. All the videos uploaded on my channel were shot using my Redmi K20 Pro. Let's start off with the display. This smartphone has a 6.39-inch 60Hz Super AMOLED display which is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and has a pixel density of 403 pixels per inch. To be honest, this display is really good and well calibrated to produce colors really well. It has an optical under-display fingerprint scanner which is pretty fast. Now coming to the performance. This smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset, which is its 2019 flagship processor. Because of this, it can handle almost anything you throw at it, be it gaming or web surfing. And now, if you want to know the benchmark scores, these are the benchmark scores of the Redmi K20 Pro. The single core score is 730 and the multi-core score is 2600. And now, if you want to compare it to a 2021 flagship, let it be the S21 Ultra, its single core score is 1123 and multi-core score is 3440. The difference between the scores might be huge, but in day-to-day usage, it doesn't make much of a difference. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a like and also subscribe to our channel as we are planning to hit 200 subscribers by the end of June. And now, coming to the battery. This smartphone has a 4000 mAh battery which can be charged using a 27W fast charger. But what you get in the box is an 18W fast charger. You have to pay an extra 500 rupees for the 27W fast charger. Honestly speaking, the 27W charger is unnecessary and an 18W charger would do. And the 4000 mAh battery is more than enough for it to last a day. Now coming to the cameras. This smartphone has a triple camera setup which includes a 48 megapixel primary lens, a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and an 8 megapixel 2x telephoto lens. And it has a 20 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. These are some of the sample shots taken on this smartphone. One was taken using the primary sensor, other with an ultra wide sensor and the other one with a telephoto lens. All three of them were taken under outdoor lighting. If you want to see some shots taken under indoor lighting, here I have it for you. This smartphone also shoots 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And now coming to the software. This has been the place where Xiaomi has been struggling for years. And with the MIUI 12 update which I got last year, the smartphone experience has improved a bit. But it's not just there yet. So let's see what Xiaomi has to offer with the MIUI 12.5. Now comes the question, should you buy this smartphone in 2021? My answer would be yes and no. Yes, if you'd solely want it for its performance. This smartphone can handle almost anything you throw at it. And no, if you want it for some of the latest features like high refresh rate displays, 5G connectivity, etc. So I leave the answer up to you. So that's been it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you give it a like and also subscribe to our channel. This is Siddharth and you're watching SidTech and I'll catch you guys in the next one.